Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of working on your own terms? Imagine getting paid to do what you love, anywhere in the world, without a boss breathing down your neck. That dream is called freelancing. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start and succeed, even if you have zero experience. Stick around because by the end of this video,
you'll be ready to launch your freelance
career and take control of your future. Section 1. What is freelancing? First things first, what exactly is freelancing? Simply put, freelancing is offering your skills or services to clients on a project-by-project basis. You're your own boss, and you decide when, where, and how you work. Popular freelance fields include writing, graphic design, web development, video editing, and even virtual assistants. Think of freelancing as the gig economy on steroids. The best part, you don't need to quit your job to start. You can freelance part-time and transition full-time when you're ready. Section 2. Why freelancing is the future. Here's why freelancing is blowing up right now. According to studies, over 1.5 billion people worldwide are freelancing, and the numbers are growing. Companies are increasingly looking for flexible talent, and freelancers earn competitive pay while enjoying unmatched freedom. Plus, in India alone, the freelance economy is expected to grow exponentially with digital skills in huge demand. So, this is your golden opportunity to jump in. Section 3. How to get started with freelancing. Step 1. Identify your skills. Start by figuring out what you're good at. Maybe you're great at writing, designing, coding, or even organizing. Not sure what to offer? Look at your hobbies, work experience, and things people often ask you for help with. Step 2. Build your portfolio. Next, create a portfolio showcasing your work. Don't have clients yet? No problem. Do mock projects or offer free services to friends and family to build a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is your ticket to impressing potential clients. Step 3. Choose your platform. There are plenty of freelancing platforms to get started, like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and TopTal. Choose one based on your niche and create a killer profile with a professional photo, detailed bio, and your best samples. Visuals of signing up on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Step 4. Set your rates. Here's the tricky part, deciding what to charge. Research what others in your field are charging and start at a competitive rate. As you gain experience, you can increase your rates. Step 5. Start pitching. Now it's time to find clients, apply to job postings, reach out on LinkedIn, and join Facebook groups. When pitching, focus on how you can solve the client's problem. Personalize your proposals to stand out. Section 4. Tips to succeed in freelancing. All right, now that you've started, how do you succeed? Tip 1. Deliver quality work. Always over-deliver. Meet deadlines, communicate well, and exceed expectations. Happy clients bring repeat business and referrals. Tip 2. Build relationships. Don't just complete a project and disappear. Build long-term relationships with clients by staying in touch and offering additional services. Tip 3. Invest in learning. Freelancing is competitive, so keep upgrading your skills. Platforms like Coursera, Skillshare, and Udemy offer courses that can help you stay ahead. Tip 4. Manage your time. Freelancers often juggle multiple projects. Use tools like Trello, Notion, or Google Calendar to stay organized. Tip 5. Market yourself. Freelancing is also about branding. Share your work on LinkedIn, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Create a personal website to showcase your portfolio. Section 5. Mistakes to avoid. Let's quickly talk about some common mistakes new freelancers make and how to avoid them. 1. Underpricing your services. Don't undervalue yourself. Charge what you're worth. 2. Taking on too much work. Learn to say no to avoid burnout. 3. Poor communication. Respond to clients promptly and clearly. 4. Not having a contract. Always have a contract to protect yourself and the client. Section 6. Encouragement. And final thoughts. Starting as a freelancer can feel overwhelming, but remember, every successful freelancer was once a beginner. Stay consistent, keep learning, and don't give up when things get tough. You have what it takes to build a thriving freelance career. Start small, aim big, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share it with someone who's thinking of freelancing. Let me know in the comments what's stopping you from starting your freelance journey. I'll be here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.